Another video on lemon possets. Well, not lemon possets. It's Saville Orange time of year, which we normally use Saville Oranges to make marmalade, because they're kind of quite sharp and not really suitable for eating, so we turn them into marmalade and other things. So I was kind of thinking, I don't think there's enough acidity in a normal orange to make posset, but is there enough acidity in a Saville orange, Saville orange, definitely, to make a posset. So, standard posset recipe: 600 milliliters of double cream, so like heavy cream, the stuff that you use to whip, but not whipping cream. Yes, double cream. Google will help you with that one. 150 grams worth of sugar. We have brought the cream up to the boil, added the sugar, simmered it for 5 minutes, and then we're going to add 125 milliliters worth of Saville orange juice and the zest from the Saville oranges. I know I'm calling it Saville. I'm going to sneeze. Oh. Yeah, it's because I live near to a place called Saville, but it's Saville. So Saville oranges. They're funny shaped. They can be a bit bruised and things like that. So it's about 3 oranges, about 125 milliliters, plus the zest. And you don't get zest from all of them, so you wouldn't zest that bit and you wouldn't zest that bit. So it's kind of like pick and choose where you are. So it's about 3 oranges, and then so that's slightly cooled. So then we'll add the zest first. So that's quite a lot of zest, but it'll be alright. So I think there might just be enough acidity in a Saville orange to set a orange posset. Otherwise, I suppose I could always add a bit of citric acid, but I don't really want to do that. I just want to do this. So we'll just let this slightly cool. It might make a softer posset, but we'll just have to see. But if I have got a backup plan. If it doesn't work, I have got another plan that we can do. And then we're going to put in these containers today, because I'm going to give them to my mom and her next door neighbour, because she's got a dog, and it's an excuse to go around and see the dog and play with the dog if I take her some food around. So that'll be okay. So all that into there. I think it will set. Let's soon find out. No, they're going to be in the fridge overnight. Just a sec. And I want a spatula just to scrape out the excess. If it doesn't work, what I can do is I can reduce down the orange juice to concentrate the orange flavour and the acidity. If it doesn't work, and I suppose that's what I could do with normal orange as well, which might be a video in the future, but we'll see how these turn out. I'm not that bothered about them, everything's clean. I'm not that bothered about these being sterile, because I'm not putting them in jars, I'm just putting them in containers. So, I haven't tasted it either. We'll just go around and top them all up to quite generous portions. Basically go on the idea that 100 milliliters of cream in the recipe is 1 portion. So that idea, if you're going to use litres worth of cream, that would give you 10 portions. But obviously you need to up the sugar content, and you'd need to up the citric content. But there we go. I'll just taste that, see how it tastes. It's nice. We'll see what it's like in the morning. taste test. It's set. It looks like it's set pretty well, actually. So that's kind of quite interesting. It's certainly a lot more acidic as a Saville orange than a normal orange. But is it the amount of acidity that you put into it directly correlated to the amount that it will set? I suppose the question is there, could I just use a normal orange? Would the acidity in a normal orange just be enough to make a lemon posset? Does it need to be something as acidic as a Saville orange or a lemon or a lime? That's a question, isn't it? That's a question. So maybe that's something we should answer in another video. But so it's set pretty well. It's set pretty well. And it's really nice. It's really nice. It's not just as orange as I think it would have been. So maybe we need to concentrate that orangey flavour. There's always more questions, isn't there? There's always more questions. Nothing's ever just... I can always do better. That's what the problem is. That's what the problem is. I'm never satisfied. I'm always striving to do something better. So can we improve on that? Of course we can. Is it good enough? It certainly is. It's delicious. It can always be a little bit better. So yeah, Saville oranges are in season at the moment. So if you're going to make a Saville posset, now's the time.